Good morning, it's Monday the 28th of March and this is your daily outlook. The euro falls as risk sentiment plunges. The euro plummeted against the dollar, weighed by a heightened risk aversion in the market. Asian equities fell while fighting continues in the Middle East. Another earthquake in Japan's already hurt northeast coast raised tsunami fears, and radiation fears have risen while workers resume a difficult battle to restore the nuclear plant's damaged cooling systems. EU debt problems also returned to haunt the euro after Standard & Poor's downgraded Portugal's debt. Portugal's Prime Minister resigned after the country's parliament rejected his new fiscal austerity measures. The president's resignation increases pressure on Portugal to receive a bailout, further deepening the uncertainty over the eurozone. Against the dollar, the euro is still trading above the 140 level, supported by expectations of an early interest rate hike. The pair dipped to 140.19 from 141.92 trading on Friday. The euro also fell against the sterling and the Aussie, falling to 0.8731 and 136.77 respectively. Against the Japanese yen, the US dollar edged higher, supported by concerns over the situation in the Fukushima nuclear plant. The nuclear threat appears far from over, and the pair climbed to 81.83 from 80.86 after it was trading in a tight range at around 80.90 for 4 straight days. Investors appear cautious to push up the yen as the prospect of another G7 intervention still exists. The US dollar strengthened after Q4 gross domestic product surprisingly showed the US economy through 3.1%. Today we expect February's US pending home sales to show a 0.9% gain, up from the minus 2.8% decline in January. The Australian dollar rallied against the greenback, supported by higher commodity prices. The Aussie jumped as high as 102.93 from 101.87. The Kiwi also rose, edging as high as 0.7574 from 0.7484. Oil prices remained elevated, supported by Middle East worries, trading at around $105 a barrel. Gold fell to $1,422.22 an ounce from $1,437.79, weighed by a stronger US dollar. Currencies to watch out for: the sterling dollar and dollar yen. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 160.55, with a preference to enter into short positions at 160.45. The dollar yen pivot point is 81.30, with a preference to enter into long positions at 81.35. Today's calendar and market movers: US pending home sales in February is forecast to gain 0.9%. US personal income in February is forecast to gain 0.4%, and New Zealand trade balance in February is forecast to rise to 272 million. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive on Friday, with the SP 500 up 0.32% and the Dow was up 0.41%. The European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE up 0.34%, the DAX up 0.18% and the CAC was up 0.09%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.98% and the Hang Seng was down 0.72%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.